You maintain a Power BI semantic model linked to a frequently updated streaming data source. Your report must support real-time analytics, reduce the query load on the underlying data source, and show the latest information without manual or scheduled data refreshes. Which connectivity mode is appropriate? Option A, direct query mode. Option B, import mode. Option C, live connect mode. Option D, push mode.
Let us examine the concepts involved in this question. When working with Power BI, choosing the right connectivity mode is critical for performance and data freshness. Some modes require scheduled refreshes, bringing data into the model cache, while others query the underlying data source live or handle streaming data streams dynamically. The goal is to balance real-time requirements, source performance impact, and refresh automation.
I believe the correct answer is option D, push mode. To meet the requirements of supporting real-time analytics, minimizing the performance impact on the source, and displaying the most recent data without performing a data refresh, push mode is the right choice. In push mode, data is pushed directly into Power BI, where it is stored in a temporary cache in memory and updates visuals automatically without requiring scheduled refreshes or repeatedly querying the source.
Let us look at why the other options are incorrect. Direct query mode would continuously hit the data source, causing a high performance impact, which contradicts our goal of reducing query load. Import mode requires scheduled data refreshes to get new data, so it cannot show the latest information without them. Finally, Live Connect is used for connecting to SQL Server analysis services models, rather than real-time streaming data sources.